Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's complete walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to bank account step by step. This process is not direct, so I'll explain the correct and safest method used in 2026. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to move your crypto, convert it to cash, and withdraw it to your bank. So let's get started. Before we start, Coinbase app, let's understand this. Coinbase Wallet is self-custody wallet. You control crypto. Coinbase.com is an exchange. You can withdraw to a bank. You cannot withdraw directly from Coinbase Wallet to your bank, right? Because it's a self-custody wallet. It's for investment. You must send crypto to Coinbase or an exchange, sell it for cash, withdraw to your bank using the provided payment methods or provided cash out methods in this case. Step 1, open Coinbase account if you don't have one. Sign up, complete identity verification or KYC, and link your bank account. This step is crucial to withdraw money. Step 2, choose the crypto you want to withdraw. Let's say Bitcoin in our case, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just turn it or convert it to USD, right? And I want to withdraw 1 Bitcoin. Alright, now choose the crypto you want to withdraw, right? ETH, USDT, Bitcoin, etc. Choose which network it's on, like Ethereum, BNB, Chain, etc. This is critical. Sending to the wrong network can result in lost funds. And get your Coinbase deposit address. Now go to your Coinbase account, click receive, choose the name, the same cryptocurrency, copy your wallet address. If you're sending ETH, choose Ethereum network. If USDT, choose correct network like Tron or Polygon or etc. Polygon, excuse me. And then send crypto from Coinbase Wallet. Now go back to Coinbase Wallet, tap send, paste the Coinbase deposit address and enter the amount and confirm the transaction. You will pay a network fee, which is like a gas fee, right? Wait for confirmation. Can take a few minutes depending on the network. And confirm the funds in Coinbase. Once the transfer is complete, open Coinbase, check your balance. Your crypto should now appear in your exchange account. Now sell crypto for cash as we did just now, right? Maybe you want to sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Just sell the Bitcoin for cash, right? Euros, USD, etc. Like this is the fiat currency, right? And once you confirm the sale, now your funds are in cash balance. Now what you're gonna do, right? On the asset tab, select cash out. Connect your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account or Coinbase.com account if you have not done so already. Enter the payment method you want to cash out to. Enter the amount and select which asset you'd like to cash out. Select continue to view the confirmation page details, and you can complete the transaction by selecting confirm. For a sell to your local currency balance, your Coinbase account will show an incoming transaction crediting your cash balance. For a cash out, your Coinbase.com account will show 2 transactions: the incoming transaction from your wallet and the subsequent outgoing transaction to your bank, right? And the withdrawal time, instant if supported, 1 to 3 business days if standard. Okay, check fees and limits. Be aware of network or gas fees, Coinbase selling fees, withdrawal fees. Tip: use lower fee networks when possible to save money. Okay, you can use alternative methods like you swap to cheaper crypto inside Coinbase Wallet like USDC or LTC, or basically I think it's called Litecoin Cash, and send that to Coinbase, sell and withdraw. This can reduce fees significantly. Avoid sending to the wrong network, copying wrong wallet address, or not checking fees, trying to withdraw directly from your wallet, which is not possible, sending unsupported tokens. Always double check before sending. So here's the full process, just to rewind. Open Coinbase Wallet, copy deposit address from Coinbase, send crypto to Coinbase, sell crypto for cash, withdraw to bank. Done. Always send a small test transaction fee, or always send that small test transaction first. Use stable coins to avoid price changes. Track fees before sending. Keep your wallet secure. Never share recovery phrase. use verified exchanges only. So withdrawing money from Coinbase Wallet to your bank in 2026 is simple once you understand the process. You just need to move your crypto to Coinbase, convert it to cash, and withdraw it safely. Take your time with each step. Double check addresses, and you will avoid most common mistakes, right? So, as we said, open Coinbase Wallet, copy deposit address from Coinbase, send crypto to Coinbase or Coinbase exchange, sell crypto for cash, and then withdraw to bank. And if you want to avoid fees, all you gotta do is just switch to like Litecoin or other method like USDC, right? Or other like cryptos, right? For lower fees. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, share it with a friend. They may possibly need this, right? They might need this. So see you in the next one.